This video tutorial is on assignment 1 selections. So for assignment 1 selections, you'll be having to go to Google and you're going to choose 3 out of the 4 images, and you're going to look for found images in Google Images, and then you're going to bring it into Photoshop and create selections. So by now you should be able to somewhat handle your marquee tools. Okay, so let's begin. We'll go to Google and I'm going to type in tree. I'm going to go to Google Images, and here you want to choose any size, choose large, and then you find an image that you want. I suggest you find something simple. Okay, so I already found mine already, so I'm going to open up Photoshop. I'm going to open the image, and it should be here. I'm going to click open, and so here I have my first image. So now I'm going to have to use my selection tool. So because what it is in assignment 1 you're going to have to create an 800 by 600 pixel document with 72 dpi, and then you're going to combine the 3 images into one document. Okay, so let's do that. I'll say file new, 800 by 600, 72, click OK. So here's my new. So first of all, I'm going to select my tree. So most times when you bring in an image from somewhere else, it's locked. Okay, so you want to double click it to unlock it. Click OK, and then it becomes unlocked. So now I'm going to decide what is the easiest way to choose my tree. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably get the magic wand, select all the white spaces, hit delete, select. So I'm going to work backwards. That should about do it. Okay, so now, one more. I'm going to grab my tree, edit copy, go to my new document. I really don't want a white background, so maybe I'll choose a different color background. So maybe yellow, and I'll throw paint at it. Create a new layer to put that image on. Hit paste. It's a little too big, so I go to edit free transform. Hold down the shift key so you constrain the size. Move it up. Hold down the shift key. Move it up. I like the way it is. Click the move tool, click apply, and I'm gonna label this my tree. Okay, so now I've got my tree. So go back to Safari. Let's look for a strawberry. Go to my images. Go to large. Look for strawberry. I want a strawberry illustration to match it. So let's look for an illustration of a strawberry. Not so many. Oh, here's one. Click here. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Close it up. Close it. Go back to my Photoshop. I'm going to say open. Look for my strawberry. Click open. Okay, so now here's my strawberry. So I want to experiment with some of my tools. So I'm probably going to choose the magnetic lasso tool since I have a high contrast difference between the white background and the red coloring of the strawberry. I could easily choose the magic wand like I did for the tree, but you know, I want to practice to get better, so I will choose my magnetic. I'll double click OK, and then I will start lassoing out my strawberry. Every so often you want to click to kind of anchor it down. So here I'm going to be clicking more often because I've got curves. So this and it's not that of a strong contrast like the red and the white is. So I'm going to click. And then you have it. I have it selected. So then I'm going to say edit, cut it out. I'm going to then edit, paste it here. It should be rather large. I'm going to say edit, free transform again. Hold down my shift key to constrain the size. And I'm going to shrink it down. And I'm going to keep shrinking it down. I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to kind of place it on the ground here. Hold down the shift key again. Move it up. And hit apply. And there you go. There's my strawberry. So I have my tree and my strawberry. So I double click on this and say strawberry, label it. You always want to label your layers, so then if you have a lot of layers, you know what layer goes with what. You're not turning on and turning off the eye trying to figure out what sits on what layer. So here I noticed I have some white, so I'll probably go with my magic wand and delete it. Delete it out. Clean it up a bit. Okay. So then you continue on to choose whatever you want, and then once you're done, you've got your three things. File save as. Always save a working file, so you'd say assignment 1 selections, and then once you've saved yourself a working one, you want to then file save it as a JPEG also. You hit save. So assignment 1, you have your last name, first initial, assignment 1, and then you hit save, and then you upload this into your assignment folder.